say flexi denim, some abrasion techniques in different shapes. Flexi denim, the machine incorporates a patented system to achieve controlled abrasions. We see different shapes. We are now in the laundry where the jeans is washed, and as a final result the scraping is achieved according to our controlled system. This is, in this case, a white abrasion. With the same system, now we see the same jeans from the next step, centrifuge. It's the same abrasion. We go next to the dryer. And we see the final result. So, fading through laser, scraping through laser, light abrasions, grinding effects, wear marks are possible through a controlled and patented technique.